Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about setting up and installing your Canon PIXMA TR160 printer on your Windows, Mac OS, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser. Doesn't matter which one, but just want to open up Edge in today's tutorial. And you want to search for Canon PIXMA TR160 support into Google. Best result should be from a Canon support for PIXMA TR160 result. Should say canon.com in the website domain. Go ahead and open that up. And then if you scroll down underneath software and drivers, go down a little bit further, select the master setup item and select download for that. And once it's downloaded, go ahead and open that file up to run it. If you receive a user account control prompt, you have to select yes. Should be a verified publisher, Canon Inc. So again, select yes in there. And you can close out of the web browser as well. Select the correct language and region as well. And then select Start Setup. And then you can go ahead and check mark where it says you have to agree to a license agreement. And then continue on with the installation here. And then just make sure the printer is turned on and then just proceed here. And then if you're using a Wi-Fi, wired LAN, or USB connection, make your selection choice and then select next and continue. And then you just would follow along with the on-screen prompts here depending on your preference of connection. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.